Most of this is about just letting you know that Ryan is available for work. I mean, honestly, he's barely available because he's booked all day. I'll put his email in the description. He has no social media, total secret location, no phone number, nothing. The best electric vehicle mechanic you can find anywhere, and I continue to vouch for him.
Put your weight on it.
It's already there, huh? Oh, that's some serious leverage, dude.
Yeah.
That's like turns you into Superman. Oh, it makes me nervous. Man. That's a lot of pressure. Don't you think someone could snap? Well, you put that shit in there, so you know it ain't gonna snap.
Oh yeah, but I don't put it on. I use a torque wrench.
Like this, and I'm doing something. I sit on the floor and lie everything, so I have shit just all over the place.
It's all organized, right?
This is professional. You know, you're doing it like it's pretty showing me how like retarded I am the way I do it. I don't even have a rack. Exactly. Now, what I'm really curious though about is how easy it is. You're going to show me it is to get the swing arm off.
Sure.
That is a bitch. Do you have a pry tool for that? Is that how you get it off?
Yes, I have.
If it comes off easy, it's because I loosened it the last time you were on it. I'm
yeah,
kidding.
well,
you were the last person on. I'm kidding.
But I can show you. I mean, I can show you.
I'm gonna watch you. That's what we're doing. No, keep doing
Yeah.
it. This is gonna be good for the video. Honestly, this is taking the swing arm off for me. Well, you already painted this, but you should know. Like, I really put a lot of pressure on it. I want to see you do it. That's how you get the swing arm off without destroying the scooter. And while it felt like we worked on it for a long time to get to this stage, to get the deck off, to get the phase wires disconnected, is that what they're called, the phase wires?
Phase wires, yes.
And to get the swing arm off, that was really only about 17 minutes. That was actually pretty quick. Okay, so I'm going to go home. When I come back, I expect this thing fully operational, sir.
Okay, I'll take care of you, Steve. I always do.
Thank you, thank you.
No worries.
All right, listen, guys, I told you at the beginning of the video, most of this is about just letting you know that Ryan is available for work. I mean, honestly, he's barely available because he's booked all day. I'll put his email in the description. He has no social media, total secret location, no phone number, nothing. The best electric vehicle mechanic you can find anywhere, and I continue to vouch for him. Check out the description for his email, and he will get back to you right away, and he can fix anything, and that is it. Thank you for your support, guys. I will see you next time.